Let me show you how to repair Windows 11 or even Windows 10 in just a few minutes. If your computer is running but you're noticing errors, slow performance, or possible system corruption, this method can help fix it using built-in tools. We'll be using two simple commands, and it's important to run them in order. First, click the search icon and type cmd, then right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Now, for the first command, type SFC/scannow and press Enter. This runs the system file checker, which scans your system for corrupted files and repairs them automatically. The scan may take a few minutes to complete. Once it finishes, restart your computer. Next, open Command Prompt as Administrator again. This time, enter the following command: dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Then press Enter. This command checks the health of your Windows image and repairs any deeper issues. Let the process complete. It may take a little longer. When it's done, restart your computer again. After these two steps, your system should be more stable and any corrupted files should